Auto thermal cutoff switch, protects motor against damage. Maximum continuous cycle time, duty cycle, 40 minutes at 40 psi at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum airflow 72 liters per minute. Integrated easy-to-read 150 psi pressure gauge. Storage bag included. Smittybilt 2782.54 CFM Universal Air Compressor has the added convenience of being able to air up or air down the tires to accommodate various types of terrain. A Smittybilt air compressor is the most powerful compression unit in its class. It has a 1/3 of a horsepower oil-less direct drive motor and a 30 amp inline fuse. Top reviews from the United States. Buy Smittybilt and skip the GSPSCN. I first ordered the GSPSCN because of the price point, which overheated after putting out about 20 psi across a few standard Subaru tires. Replaced it with the Smitty 2780, which after receiving and testing, is superior in every metric. Save yourself the hassle and buy the Smitty if you will depend on this for the trail or emergency situations.